Hello, YouTube math novels. This is James from Southern California. Today I want to use an example to show 3 key points for multi-digit decimal division. Okay, so first then we need to change divisor to whole number firstly or directly. So that means that 6.83 multiply 100, let it go to 683. Then for the dividend, it also need multiply 100. So we get as we'll go to 2 decimal places for the quotient. So here we need to add more 0 at the end of the dividend. Okay, so this is the first thing. Change divisor to whole number. Now let's start the division. 813. Inside it, we should have 1683. So here the partial quotient is 1. So we get subtract. Then 2 go down. Now we need to decide in 1302 there are how many 683. So this is equal estimate the partial quotient. For this step, it's still simple because we can easily find we cannot have 2 of 383 inside 1302. So that means that the partial quotient just 1. So do the subtraction here. 9, 1. 3 go to 2, so 12 minus 6 here is 6. Then decimal point here, and the 8 go down. Now we need to decide how many, maximally how many 683 inside 6198. This is a little bit of hard. We have 2 ways to decide it. One is just means estimate. So let 683 round to hundreds place. So it's 700. Then this go to 6,200 divide this. We can simplify it to just 62 divide 7. Then we can get the partial quotient is 8. But here we have another way because we can find 6,198. It's close to 10 of 683. That means that we can do this. If this we can let it go to. So we quickly get which is less than the divisor. So what does this mean? It means 6,830 and 6,198. Their difference is less than the divisor. So that means that inside 6198 we should have 9 of divisor. That means that this is the better estimation. This is not so good. So we can decide the partial quotient should 9. Okay, now let's scratch here. Yeah, so for this step, we call it estimate the partial quotient quickly. Okay, now let's do the 3-digit multiple 1-digit. We'd better use mental math. 9 times 3 is 27. So regroup is 2. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 2, 74. So regroup is 7. 9 times 6 is 54 plus 7 is 61. So do subtraction. Here is 1, here is 5. Now let's this 0 go down to make 510. But we know 510 is less than the divisor. So suppose the quotient here is 0. And also be noticed that here already go to the this hundreds, means the second decimal places. So we'll round to here. But in order to decide if we'll round up or round down, we need to know the next number is what. So if we want to decide it, we can let this 0 go down. To decide, for example, here use the key point 2, means estimate the partial quotient. But actually, we don't really need to do it. The reason is we don't really need to know if it's 6 or 7 or 8. No, not necessary. So that being said, this also not necessary. We just need to decide the remainder over divisor is greater than or equal to half. It's true or not true. Here we can easily find it's true. Then that being said, we should round up. So finally we get the quotient is okay. So we call this round it fast. That means that we don't really need to decide the digit at thousandths place. We just let the remainder over divisor compare with 0.5. If it's true, then we need to round up. Otherwise, we round down. Okay. Let me clear off this. Yeah, then I'll quickly show. Yeah, this is what I already do. For this problem, actually, this is the problem D. Another is, yeah, and we can find more problems here. And another is the solving process for problem C. Yeah, if you feel interested, you can try these questions, problems yourself. Okay, that's all for this knowledge point. If you feel it's help, then you can subscribe or share my my video with other friends. Thank you.